are you stopping here?
What do you mean by that? With this your rainbow face? Who they ask all those kind of police questions? Eh? When you carry face like Adama masquerade, they ask me, you don't know the house again. The tree where you take know your house, they don't cut them. No, they ask me all those kind of questions. I know they go again.
Oh, you mean you don't know the house of Chinelu? Are you not from this village, dumbass?
Now only one Chinelu the guy for this village. What is this? Eh? When you carry face like Adama masquerade, they follow me they talk. How you want to know the place? When you don't, your face everywhere in a rainbow. They follow me they talk. I don't know the place. Call them and you call another person make carry you.
Start going to one of them. Start going there all. When I get to the house of my granny, I will know.
Me? Be going all houses. No one concern you. I don't go fit try. It is I don't get what they do with my life. I mean, call them from my motor. I don't go.
Or better still, you can ask this local village walkabout here. Just ask him.
Hi. Are you okay?
I don't know. Come ask this masquerade where they start my motor. We carry face like Adama look. Tell them say come down for my motor.
Are you busy yet?
It's okay. Opango also.
You don't tell her be?
She does not know who you are. She don't know you have a single bone. She don't know you have a single bone. It's okay. It's all right. My sister, you said
I am Gina,
okay.
the daughter of Pamela, the only daughter of Chinelu, you know.
Wait, you say your mother's name is Pamoil?
No, Pamela that stays in the city.
Oh, you know these people, when they leave the village, they go to the township and then change their names. That is why sometimes when they are praying for them at home, the prayer does not get to city because the name is no longer the same. Your mother's name used to be Mbuchi. I never knew she changed to Pamela, but that is by the way. Your grandmother, Chinelo, used to be a very good friend of my mother. I know her very well. She's a very nice woman.
I know him. I know.
Have you forgotten that I'm a DJ? I go everywhere. I enter everywhere. But that is by the way. My sister, I am very sorry for the little rasmatas that people just had now. In this village, we have so many means of transportation. You understand? One is if you cannot afford this one now. The other means is you see all this Okada that passes by. You can use Okada or even motorcycle. What is it? Bicycle. Alternatively, the means of head, transportation by head. I can move this thing from here now to...
down for my motor.
On your head?
Yes, on my head.
Oh, no, I'm not coming down because I paid her for this. I am not coming down.
It's all right. Just...
I am not coming down.
No. I don't want you people to quarrel over nothing.
So you want to help her?
You want to help her?
No, it's just that I don't want this quarrel. I don't want this quarrel to continue.
I'm going to look at you. Come down for my motor.
No, it's all right. It's okay.
Nonsense.
Hi.
How did you find this place?
Atuma, the sharpest boy in this village won't be hard to locate. Not so.
You just said so many things about me when I've not even told you anything. How did you know everything about me?
I'm here to know more and to stay forever. Atuma. Hi. Hello.
I simply want to know the truth. I want to know the truth.
If you want to know the truth, then this is it. Obanka, my friend, she's crazy about Atuma, your friend. She's just doing normal finder shakala, nothing serious. She just wants him to learn from me.
I suspected it. What of I mean, what of I'm what about you and you and you and
do you have saw in your mouth? If it's you and I you're talking about,
you and I.
Just know it won't work because you can't even open your mouth to say it. Please get out of there.
Amaga, who told you I can't open my mouth? You should have told me. Okay, let me open my mouth for love. Amaga, my mouth is still open for you. Hi. Wonder, not again. Not again. You're supposed to be acting according to your name. Wonder, do wonders on Amaka. Hey, it's simple. You and I couldn't say it. What is that? Look at the way it is moving freely. But I was just talking as if I'm a stammerer. You and you, Amaka, please respond to normal treatment. I know what I have in mind for you. Respond to treatment.
There's trouble. Serious trouble. There's trouble.
Trouble where?
I saw Atuma. Kissing one girl that is half naked under the mango tree.
What?
Even when I screamed. So I wanted to run away. The girl held him back and even asked him to kiss her the more.
Atuma. Nekota wine.
Yes.
At this village. You no fear. Okay. Is she crazy or what?
No, take it easy. You understand? Don't be angry. I'm sure it's either she's drunk or something, but don't worry.
She must be very mad.
Leave it. I will explain to you later.
My friend, why are you not looking happy now? What's wrong?
At the vex. You see that way you tell me yesterday? I see him with my 2 eyes.
About Atuma and Gina. Hey, wonder shall never end. Are you serious?
Those 2 people for this village, I go show them. You see 2 of them? I go show them. I mean they won't do anyhow. They go see anyhow now. That's why do me anyhow. I go see anyhow. If I don't use my mouth to kill them, my name no be Opanka.
Babe, I don't tell you. Open up, tell Atuma. Let him know how you feel about it. Just tell him you love him. I don't tell you this thing, no. You go lose her like play. Oh. Babes, they this village, we want rush am. Now you know.
What do you mean by that? I won't take no say. He gets another babe by the corner where they razzle my guy. I won't take no. So another person they razzle my guy. I won't take no. I won't take no so the girl gets sweet mouth. Show the corner the guy. She don't even fear up on herself.
I've told you to stop playing with Atuma the way you're doing. He's a human being. Just let him know you feel the same way about him. That's all. Finish.
No, wait first. You want to blame me? I don't understand. I don't even understand you, self gone. What's happen? Which one they carry talk now? See, I tell you something. Anybody will try me for this village. If I don't try, see as I won't bring the person down, you know, come down. I go use my sister, Nurse Eliza. Nurse Eliza, no injection now. Even you, self, when they here, if you fuck up, you go see anyhow.
Friend, never reach like that. Like
you go collect injection.
Can never be against you.
You go just cook my tongue goat.
I'm for you, 100%. Trust me. I'm going nowhere. I'm for you, Opanka.
You like me, open your eye well though. When they do that, that your back compound, I go enter. You don't know me. Enter your back compound.
I will not only tell you what love is, but show it to you all.
Do you know, I thank God who is in heaven for bringing you into my life, honestly speaking. I didn't know all this while I was wallowing, thinking that I was in love with one local village champion heroine. I never knew that God has. You see, this is why sometimes when people are in a haste, you don't have to be in a hurry because God must have cooked something for you, only waiting for that food to be cold and for you to come and enjoy. Because of one thing, I did not know that God in heaven kept you, Gina, Akwanwa Gina, in the city for me. I didn't know.
I also thank God for bringing me to this village to meet somebody like you. I will marry you and make you bigger. Make you the most sexiest boy in this village.
No, so Lisa, they say give honor to whom honor is due. So Lisa, I want to beg you in the name of any tree that you worship. Please, my hands are clean.
Your hands are clean. That means you know something. Take me to where my is, and that new girl that took the place of my sister. Do it now.
No, so Lisa, you don't even need to start shouting on top of your voice. If I know something, I will tell you. Listen, let me tell you, I value my life. Oh, I don't know anything.
You don't know anything. Carry injection. Do your work.
I know
something. Tell me now.
I know something. But just more, little. I believe I can.
Take me there now.
Okay.
Take me there.
Okay.
Move.
Okay.
Handle it.
Move. No, Mr. Lisa. For security reasons, dear Mama, stay in the front. Let me stay behind you. Let me stay behind you and direct you. I promise.
I follow me.
Hey.
Follow me now.
I will direct you. I thank you.
Are you serious that I did all this thing to you?
The next agenda before me now is how to rescue my car from them.
I will take you to Wankiti the Dibia. He will blow the smoke of Umumo. They will get blind. They will now be looking for you here and there and hand you over your key.
Wait. Is it when they get blind that they start looking for me? If they can't see me when their eyes are open, is it when their eyes are closed that they begin to look?
No. It's not like that. When we get to Wadibia, he will now explain better.
Until then, I will know what to do. Eh? No, see, Lizzie will look watch a bemo bejili.
Atuma! Run for your dear life! Right! It is cow injection! Cow injection!
Who carry no ever? Who will walk in the wall? Come with a cow injection! What is unique? Ndanzuzu! Who carry no name? Yonu Kapu! You? No.
Hey!
I think you better!
Wonder, leave my house. Wonder, leave my... I no longer trust you. Wonder, I no longer trust you. I want to go and hide my new baby uncle. There you will not see her. No, your nonsense does Eliza. Because you brought her to come and inject me and my baby. New baby uncle. Wonder, you!
Atuma, that is where you are getting it all wrong. No, so Lisa got me on my way. I knelt before her, begging her to leave me. But I have no other option than to say where you are.
But
didn't you see the way I was screaming and shouting your name? Atuma! Atuma! Run for your dear life! Carry injection! Did you not see?
Shut up! Shut up! Let me tell you, hence you have become an agent of Nurse Eliza, who takes her around to come. I thought you were my friend. I never knew that I took as. Let me tell you now. Wonder, or whatever you call your name, leave this place.
Wait.
Simple, yes.
We used to be 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Thank you very much. I said, leave this place because I don't trust you. Where is my baby? Now leave my compound. Leave my compound.
Are you in any way asking me to leave your house?
I am not advising you to leave my house. I'm telling you to leave my house. If you spend any one more minute here, I'll chop off your house.
I will leave.
Are you I'm talking with you. Look at this vagabond. Can you imagine? I thought he was my friend. I thought this boy was my friend.
Let's go.
I take him to anywhere I go for DJ work. He dance for me and I give him something. I thought I was his mentor. I never knew that this boy would come and implicate me because I got a new baby. See, let me tell you. Anytime you hear that this boy, they are doing his burial, don't go asking anybody what killed him. What killed him is simple. Jealousy. Send him to an early grave. The tension is...
You must come and beg me. And apologize to me. What nonsense! Look at you! Look at you! You must come and apologize to me. Huh?
Wonder boy.
Oh.
Are you okay?
Amaka, you can't imagine what I want. You can imagine that my best friend Atuma chased me away. Because he accused me of calling Nosolisa to come and destroy him and his new girl Gina. Oh. Ever since that girl came into his life, she has blinded him totally. Total blindness.
We are talking about that one. What about me? Even me, my own Opakan one, my own personal person, she chased me. Even knocked me, almost knocked me because of that same Gina girl. Before she came, we used to be at peace, so very happy. But she just came from nowhere and that's it. Hey. Just chased me, pushed me one side as if I'm a nobody. I don't blame them now. Opanka Natuma, they will hear from me in this village.
I don't know. I didn't know. Eh? Don't worry. We shall deal with them. Now there's anger. Eh? That thing I've been longing to tell you, I must say it today. I must say it today. Either by hook or by crook. Angrily I am, and angrily I must say it to you. I love you. I love you. I love you.
Wonder boy.
What is all this?
You just became a man. For you to be bold enough to open your mouth and say it, you are a man.
Is that supposed to be a yes?
Before Uncle, that's a
yes. Hey! To hell with them! To hell with that Atuma! To hell with them! Amaka, finally, you've accepted me. You've accepted to love me. Yes. Who am I? Amaka, let's go. Amaka, let's go. You have made my day. We will not be mingling. Kind of mingling. 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 Oh yes. They must be jealous of us. We will mingle.
Stop there. I will share them from the city. I will deal with you. Sure, we are busy me that day, Abi. By the time I'm through with you, I will change your name from whatever or Panka or whoever is your name. I don't even care. I will deal with you. Who you are? Who are you? So this girl, oh, did I arrest? This guy. Look at this guy. I will deal with you. By the time I'm through with you. I will deal with you. But do with me.
Man, no sir. I command you by the power of one Kete to go and drop in this motor car and let your sister never have the desire to drive that vehicle again.
Am I the one you people are doing this concert?
No, sir. This is not concert. My brother Ibe knows why he sent me on this mission. No, sir. I command you by this time. Go back to the house and bring a friend Oscar. I command you.
Igbo, Igede, Muwa no say Eliza, ejuparese. Ki dura no fie ngwa ejegotara ogu. Igede, na. Igede, no say Eliza. As for Ipe, Yadeba.
No say Lisa, your face like stone. At the end it will be good. You the enter bone. You the shine for white down. Your uniform find the road. Your injection was pass is easy. Your injection no pain pass sickness. No say Lisa, no say Lisa.
Sister, I have dealt with them and we still do. In fact, we are seizing that stupid Mazi best car and we never return it again. Why? You don't know what that man did. That he just sent his brother Anigede to go and prepare sham to use against me, sister. Hey, me, not Seliza. Hey, in fact, as I'm speaking to you right now, Igede is lying fainted inside bush. I gave him 10 mil of mad cow injection. You know what I can do now? Okwana ka ogbanne na nwa ji wee gbagbu nwoke. Hi! Collect 5.
Na me.
Okwana obodo.
I dey go see him.
Oh. Abeg, no shake. No problem. No problem. I will so deal with them in this. In fact, I'm coming. My phone is stop.
We want ordinary treatment. We know like injection. No say Lisa. No say Lisa.
Hey!
No say Lisa.
Hey!
No say Lisa. Headache or sickness. You must fire the bomb. We want
Elisa. Okay, please. I will do anything. I will do it.
I don't want to hear him. Oh yeah, move!
Yeah?
I said move!
no say Lisa. No say Lisa.
Gina, my granddaughter, I am happy you agreed to come and live with me. Hey, Mom. But there are some things I am not comfortable with. Seriously.
What are they?
The way you and Atuma are going everywhere, doing strange things. People are talking about it. I'm not happy.
Mama, is that the problem?
Is that not enough?
Mama, just relax. Atuma is the guy I want to get married to. Okay? I have to touch him up, bring him to some certain standard, and together we shall be the sharpest couple in this village. So just relax.
When we go school, I have no problem over that. Just to do it with dignity, avoid ugly things.
Mama, no problem. Have you forgotten that your granddaughter here is an enlightened city girl? And I will make sure that my light shine in this village. So just relax. Relax yourself, okay? I will make you proud, Granny.
Pick up. You have to go kiss you.
No, say Lisa. No, say Lisa. You better come out, too. Come and catch the call to that.
You better come out, too.
Ah, about Aquana also. You cannot run away from this one. You must say, your bite. No, say Lisa. Yeah. What's up, battery? Or maybe you will drive the for your eat.
No, not very well.
Ah, babe, so you look me like this. What is your name, I beg?
Chika na my name.
Hi. So name fine, though. Why they come from this side before? The face look familiar, as if I know the face. But I can't reach here. No face, I not know the face again. The brother say you come from this village new. But anyway, that will not be a problem. Na me, na Bikenna. Bokonyi, I'm not John, the son of the Igbo, the only prince. When we say the whole village, the year of. Na me, I said yes, so if you agree, I like you, and I love you too. If you just agree for me, I'll go buy motor give you, and my back get over Niger.
Wait, so you, a prince, you think say I don't know you? She? You think say I don't know you for this village? No be you way up anchor. No say it is a sister. Use apple and design in face. Next time when you see me for this village, talk to me again. I go deal with you.
Now me now they look, call the insult. But no problem, I will get you soon. If I come up, I go so and know me. If I go down, I go so and know me. But for this village, I go change and that style for honor. The man don't me finish, go do it, I go do finish. Me say, all the whole village, and I go they bow before me. No problem. For this thing, good small shower. Hi.
Come out! What is the situation? What is the situation? Come out now, no! Come out! Massacre! Let me tell you, if you don't want to open this door, break this door down. I should have come with my ass to break down this door. I should have please, go after her. Massive, stand up. In fact, don't worry, I know your solution. I will have to go now and call your nephew, Wonder Boy. I am sure if he comes here, he's going to do wonder and you will
stand up from this place. Just cool. Keep breathing the way you're breathing. Now manage it, oh. Keep managing breeze. Ah! Let me go and bring your solution, Mazige. Let me bring your solution.
Where have you been?
I was kidnapped too. I was kidnapped.
Kidnapped?
Yes.
By who?
It was Opangamwa and her sister. In fact, these people, they raped me. They raped me.
They raped you?
No, sorry, she...
So where are they now?
Okay, where? Where?
I said, where are they?
Oh, where are they? They are hiding inside the bush because the youths are after them. You know, Eliza used a mad cow injection on Mazige and he died.
Serious?
So they ran into the bush because the youths were actually after them. So they...
Show me where they are hiding.
Is that?
I said, show me where they are hiding.
Oh, where they are hiding?
Yeah.
I think it's is that? Come.
One thing must happen to them. It's either I kill Nosaliza or she kills me for wanting to kill my uncle. For wanting to kill my uncle! Yeah, boy, or fear the matter.
Where is she? Eliza! Eliza! I must change your color to blood! Where is she? Come out here! Hey! Look at you!
Hey, Uncle. Are you the one that did that?
Yes. Please, I am looking for Nurse Eliza. I want to thank Eliza because all the sickness is dancing together in my stomach is gone.
Hey. So, the same Nurse Eliza that I came here to kill. Huh? After injecting you with mad cow injection.
Don't try it. Please go to my house now and get that my goat. I want to thank Eliza before I go around the village to tell them the good news. After purging everything, I am feeling alright.
I'm not yet convinced with what you're telling me because of the way you're dangling. Can't you dancing? Okay, Uncle, prove everything to me now. Okay, can you do like this?
I am okay.
Can you jump?
Yes, I can do everything. I am well. Yes, I told you.
Can you do like this?
Why? I will do everything.
Watch me do like this. It is strong! Look at you! Hey! Look at you! You don't get the blood! Look at you!
No say Lisa, no say Lisa, no say Lisa, oh no say Lisa.
Hey!
Don't kill me.
Don't be afraid. No, say Lisa. Do you know that the wonders he did is all over Mabokini?
What news?
Igede. The injection you gave Igede. Not only that he cured Igede's sickness, he also made Igede a very young man. Igede is rolling all over the community like a young boy now.
Mazuki, Biko, tell me that what you are saying is the truth.
How can I lie to you, not Lisa? How can I lie to you? As I'm speaking to you on my way coming to the farm, I saw Igede's nephew. I saw him. What is that his name?
Wonder.
You are right. I saw him with a very big goat, a fat one, going to your house to say a very big thank you.
Okay. Mazi, see, I want to take something. I want to pick something from the farm. Just go and come.
From the farm?
Yes.
No problem. But please do me a favor. On my way now, straight to your house. Don't finish the injection. I know people will be rushing to take injection. Please, don't finish the injection. Let me come and take my own.
I will not finish.
Don't finish it, I beg. Thank you. No, say Lisa. You know I can
Like injection. No say Lisa, no say Lisa, no say Lisa, oh no say Lisa. Headache or sickness, you must fire the bomb bomb. We want ordinary treatment. We know.
The latest young man in town.
How are you?
I'm very, very happy to shake you.
He is my uncle with whom I am well pleased.
He knows.
Nelisa house I dey go before I come see una for here. I won't know whether she dey house.
Hurry up.
I go see her.
Hurry up, she's in.
Yeah. Yes. But the problem here be say, as you get luck so, go inject you can't dey strong. Dey strong like iron. As I shake you just now, they notice her for my hand. I don't know whether I go see get that same luck. Make she come inject me too. Make her dey strong like 7 years old boy. Back a day younger than the way I dey now.
Tell her that you are my friend. Bam. And you came to my house to see me with something.
Now me say, I go my house now. Make I go and see some things. Make I go prepare little things come for you. Then come give you and make a feed.
Let me tell you, if you must come to see my uncle, you have to come with something eye-catching. Something very big and tangible, not something small. Do you know what you're about to get? You have to hurry about it too. Hurry up while stock lasts. I have told you my mind. And don't forget that Noseliza's injection is still on promo.
Wonder. Okay, my one.
Uncle,
give it
to me. Give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me.
Wait, I go follow you go out.
Masigere, are you now saying that the nurse we thought had killed you and whose house the youth wanted to set on fire is now your savior?
Oh yes. Since I started seeking medicine here and there, I have never come across the one so effective as the cow injection given to me by Eliza the nurse. Now I feel like I am 16. A great lady.
Is that so? Is that so? Oh, we thank God for Nurse Eliza. Ukwocha, I will save you.
Come with me. Come with me. If I sing you back up. No say Lisa. Oh, sing, go, sing, go. Back up. Back me up.
I love it.
You are there.
Wonder. So it's true.
It is so. Amaka, it is so. It is true. No Lisa injection has turned my uncle Igede into a young man. This is even the second goat I am taking to her house. In fact, more are coming. Let me tell you, I am going to take more goats to her house.
See, this kind of injection, me, I want it to. That we just, with one touch, to flush everything. Me, I want it.
Okay, in that case, before you do that, you must come to me because I am now her manager. Come to me for your ticket.
As it is now, I wanted to go and buy soap to wash this thing I'm wearing. But right now, let me go and I'll drop it to my sister, Straight to Eliza's place. I'll meet you there.
No problem.
Yes, let me give my...
Hallelujah. Sing it.
The news is all over in this village.
So, people will not see her as a hero or what?
No, the truth of the matter is that she was working as a nurse until they transferred her to animal hospital.
So, you want to leave me for her sister?
That is where the problem is now. That is just the problem. I'm confused. You understand? See, Gina, she's the only woman and the only person that has the injection that can revive my mother. And let me tell you, over 4 months now, my mother has been taken to a herbal home. And it has been my younger sister taking care of my mother. So as it is now, I am not sure that I can compromise anything. I need to do anything humanly possible to revive my mother, to bring my mother back to life.
They can only gain popularity, but her face will surely lose continuity.
That is not a problem. If her face lose continuity, no problem. But let the injection not lose continuity. That is the most important one. Because
so you want to leave me? You want to leave me for her sister?
It's not as if I'm leaving you. It's a matter of life. Okay, if in case now, okay, let us assume now it is your mother in this position. What won't you? And
please, Nurse Eliza, please help me. I need the injection. I'm even very sorry for coming with the youth to knock on your door. It's a very big mistake. I will not try it again. This is 20,000 naira cash. I sold my 2 goats to get this money. I want to join Igede in the football field. I want to be as fit as he is. Please help me, Negam.
Where is your mother? Where is your mother? I said, where is your mother? Let me come out and face me. Where is your sister? I said, where is your mother? Let me finish her now. Where is she?
Mazi, you want me to give you the injection, right? Take this idiot out of here!
Lisa, I am coming back for you! I am coming back Wait, please don't go. Don't go anywhere. They will use their advantage to steal you away from me.
See, Gina, relax yourself. You understand? I will go and I will conquer and I will come back.
Please.
I will do anything to make sure that I save my mother's life. That is the most important. Okay, Jack, come on.
Please, Atuma, pick up here.
Fire the bomb. We want ordinary treatment. We know like injection.
Hey, wait. So for your mind now, you and your sister are not the pride of the village, eh?
You dey craze. Adam mama's great. You dey craze. What did they worry you?
I will take off that shine of yours. I will blind this your 2 eyes. I will make sure nobody sees you in this village and like you, including Atoma.
I must shine when I must shine. I don't shine.
You must not shine above me. Who you dey talk? Come here. Where do you think you are going to?
They push me. They craze. I don't ask you before whether you don't bath. You tell me say you don't bath. Now I got out of bath. I go show you. They craze. Don't try me.
I will so blind your eye that Atuma will not see you and like you again. I mean, the plummet.
Man, please. Oh, please. However, whichever I've sinned against you, just find a place.
Which your place in your heart? You think I did not hear you? Forgive waiting.
See, I will do it for you because of my sister under one condition.
One condition is small. Look for other conditions. Load them, pack them, bring it to me. I will do it without minding people.
You're not going to do anything for this today. Sorry, it's not you. You're not idiot. It's Gino. You see, who is even telling you sorry, Seth? See, let me tell you something. The only condition you have now is just go that idiot Gina house, bundle and the way she take enter this village, bundle and put her for wheelbarrow, carry am back to that place where from they come.
That one is not a problem. I will make sure I bundle her the way you said and send her back, even though I don't know where she came from.
Yes, go and do it now and make sure you accuse her of stealing your mother's yam.
She didn't just steal yam, she stole Oba and they goose everything inside.
Oh yeah, go!
God bless you.
Before this speed dry, come back. Uja, before it dry, no let her dry, yo. No let this thing. If this speed dry, I'm coming now.
What kind of injection can do?
I'll tell you how injection. You know, this is our guy. You know, give you
if I don't do it like this, now you know go do what you want. I'm coming.
Where is your friend, my love? I've been looking for him.
Jijinwa, Atuma, my friend is no longer your own. The rightful owner of Pankanwa has taken him back. Atuma needs the injection from Nurse Eliza to cure the sick mother who is in Harbour home for months now. And the condition is that they will deport you back to township in a wheelbarrow. And guess what? Atuma came to see my uncle Igede to borrow him his wheelbarrow. And you know what it means? You are going to enter the Guinness Book of Records as the only woman in this whole world to be deported back to the township in a wheelbarrow. You know what it means?
That will never happen. He loves me and I know it. Opanka and Nurse Eliza cannot snatch him away from me because of that nonsense cowl injection.
That's the spirit.
I must do something to stop this.
Now you're talking. You have to do something and be fast about it. Be fast about it. Do something because Nurse Eliza and sister Opankanwa, they are now the new government.
We shall see.
Aha!
We shall see.
Oh yes. I trust you. Do something now. To Ponja Bote Urebaro. Bage Bata. Abagi Bata. Do something. Bata. Back to township. Do something. Do something.
That is it, Atuma. If you do what I ask you to do, I will do what you want me to do. Indirect.
Okay, I have understood everything. Yeah? The conditions are... In fact, I'm seeing this thing from two ways, which is, one, you give me the goat. I take to Nurse Eliza for them to inject Mazibe to look as young as you are.
Yes.
Eh? Then the other one is you're going to connive with the elders, lay allegation of yam stealing on Gina.
Yes.
Eh? In order to bundle her out of this village for Eliza to inject my mother to be alive again. Okay?
Yes.
That one is a simple challenge. I'm telling you, it's a simple challenge. Mazigere, can get the goat.
My granddaughter, what is it? What is the matter?
Oh, Mama, just leave me alone. I'm okay.
You can't be okay. Eh? Who is chasing you? Talk to me now. Who is that person that make my golden angel to be unhappy? Who is that person? Is it no, say Eliza or her sister? Talk to me now.
Mama, just relax. I'll be fine. I'm okay. Just leave me.
Sure, now, Eliza. Now I have confirmed that your injection is capable of cleansing a man so that if he's old, he now becomes young, energetic. I want to take my share. Please.
There's no problem, Mazi. As you have fulfilled my terms, I'll give it to you.
Go ahead, please. Do not delay.
Mazibe! Help! Somebody help! Somebody help! Don't do this to me, oh! Help! Mazibe, don't die here! Help! Somebody help!
Wonder, I am afraid. I am afraid Nurse Eliza has done it again.
Don't worry.
Eh? Help!
Don't worry. I know Mazibe is supposed to take that injection this morning and be young like my uncle Igede. Did he turn to a kid or woman? Because that cow injection can do anything as far as I'm concerned. Tell me.
As I speak to you now, Mazibe did not turn to a child. He did not turn to a youth. He did not turn to a woman, neither did he turn to a man. I am confused.
To a giant, I guess. Hey!
Which giant?
I knew it.
Which giant? Let me tell you, Wonder. As I speak to you now, Mazibe is lying dead in Eliza's house. Mazibe, let me tell you, just run along now and call your uncle before it is late. In fact, it is already late.
Remove that unholy spirit from your mouth. It is no good for the ear. Stop it! Stop it, Atuma!
Is it that your ears are paining you or what? Is it that I am telling you, look, this is a matter of urgency. Do you understand? There's no time for run along now and call your uncle. Okay, if you don't want to go and call your uncle, I will go to the youth or the villagers, invite everybody for this is a matter of arrangement.
How can you tell me that Mazibe is dead? After what he promised me, he promised to buy second taxi and that's me one. And you are here telling me that he's dead. No!
Are you?
No!
Do you know that sometimes I don't even know where your brain goes to? You call me your mentor. You're supposed to be behaving like me. We are talking about an urgency matter, a matter that requires urgency, and you're talking about a promise, taxi promise.
You are aware that the taxi is also an emergency taxi.
Look at, let me tell you, what you have to do now, apply urgency. Run along the band. If you don't want, we're talking about arrangement here. We're talking about arrangement, you're talking about, if you don't want to go now, I'll go and call the youth. Okay. I'll go and arrange the villagers now to come. Okay. Go and call your uncle.
Hey!
Go around, go.
Mazibe! Yeah? Please, return back to life and give me the taxi. I need the taxi.
Baby, this is the new Igede. I will take you to the top of the world. If you just say yes, you will see the dandy boy.
Oga Mazigebe, I be the thing say you be old man. Even now, I see the thinker.
I'm not old at all. it took me one injection from Eliza the nurse to revive my youth.
Uncle, what is it? Uncle, what is it? There is fire on the mountain without a run. Okay, as I speak to you now, your friend Mazibe is lying down dead in Eliza's house. After she gave him the cow injection. Please, let's go do something.
Plenty drama they happen for this village. See this old man. He don't even throw a cap when you want use impressing me. Hey, Sheikh, I don't suffer. Okay.
Mazibe.
Mazibe. Mazibe.
This man is dead, though.
Mazibe.
Amaka, let's run away. This man is dead, though. There's nothing we can do. Let's run.
Run away to where now? What of Opanka, your sister?
Leave Opanka, I'll go home phone. Let's run first. I'll go home phone. I want to
Doctor, please do your best. It happened to me the same way, and immediately I purged. I became young like a small boy. Please give me anything that can make him to purge. You will see the wonder. Hey!
This man is clinically dead.
What?
Go and bury him.
Hey!
Sitting down here crying now.
See, Baka, my friend, she's not the kind of woman to make up. She's just being spoiled by her sister, no Eliza. Don't worry. Atuma will realize that I'm not back to you. I assure you that. Just stop crying.
Wait, I think I heard voice of people crying. I think so. Yes.
Sister. What's happening? I should just call me. Say make I come this place, come wait for you. Now I rush. Just tell everybody where they inside my motor. Make them come down. Now I rush come this place. What's happening? Hi, sister. What I do? You know that stupid man, that Mazibe. That man just carry wahala come house so say make I inject him. As I just inject the man, that the man fall die. Amaka them everybody don't run. Sister, in fact, as me and you dey like this now. Now I'm at another village now get us so. Sister, what you go do now? I am going to go.
You sister, your car now? Who your car?
No worry. Which person die now? They talk about car. What's the car? I don't pack it for where person don't get a motor. Before people start arriving, let me go into his room and search if I can find some money so that we will use it to buy a coffin and bury him before sunset. You know, according to tradition, he must be buried before the sunset. Hence, he has no family. Hey. Immediately we buy the coffin. We will inform the Igbo and other elders, and we will bury him.
You know that this is a matter of death now, and the man and when I said that now we may palate, which means what we are owing Mazibe is to open ground and put him inside the ground. I am sure that if Mazibe knew that what gave you strength was going to send him to early grave, he wouldn't have died. You understand? So, like you said, let us, when you get in there and source for money, even if you don't get up to 5,000, bring whatever thing you get. Let us go to Enom, the coffin maker, so that he can make a coffin. Because you know this is an urgency death that requires urgency coffin. You understand? So as it is now, arrangement,
Hey, Mazibe. Oh, to Akisi Wena. Huh? What surprises me most is why did he die without fulfilling his promise? Huh? The promise of giving me the taxi. At least that is the only way his soul will rest in peace.
So let us
No say Lisa, no say Lisa, no say Lisa, oh no say Lisa. Headache or sickness, you must fire the bomb. We want ordinary treatment, we no like injection. No say Lisa, no say Lisa, no say Lisa, oh no say Lisa. Headache or sickness.
Bikono, don't kill us. I'm the one that killed it. The story is everywhere, Biko.
You killed someone? Where are you from?
Oh, he's down.
See, I don't care whether you killed someone or not. I'm taking you back to Omabo right now. Move!
But don't tell you,
Bikono! How? Move!
I was able to get this money. I will go now and sell 2 of us. Then add it to this money. Then we can buy things from the area.
It's okay. I will be here. I've already sent the youth to get this thing. I'm sure they are gathering the tools for the ground digging. So as soon as possible, things will commence. Let me show you where he will be buried.
Hey! Omabo! My name is Wonder, but another wonder has happened in Omabo. Mazibe has come back to life. Hey, he is alive and looking for football to play. He's alive, oh. He's alive, oh. Another wonder other than me has happened in Omabo. Hey!
You see, all I need now is football. I want to go to a field and play football. You know, I messed up myself with pieces on the bed they put me before burial. So all I want to do now, get myself together. Then before looking for what to use to say, Eliza, I think.
Ibe, do you know that Eliza has run away as usual, thinking that you have died?
I cannot die.
Chief, good afternoon. I was from afar. I saw you because I heard that Rangers want to buy Messi. So as I saw you, I thought maybe they bought Messi finally. I didn't know it was you. Chief, you see Nurse Eliza and her sister. Those people are heroes, you know.
Yeah.
Honestly. Yes, honestly.
It's definite. See, back, sideways. Let's jog it up. Let's jog it up. Let's jog it up.
You know it is in you.
It is in you. In my blood, nervous system, medulla oblongata. If I am like Messi and Ronaldo joined together.
Goal. Put Messi there and Ronaldo. Just going to be the result.
Eliza. Hey, thank God I found you. Thank God though. The whole village are looking for you people to celebrate you. Why? They just told me they killed someone. They are killers. They are not killers. They are not killers. The man they injected thinking that he was dead did not die. The injection made him more stronger like a young boy instead of killing him. Right now, even the Igwe, the elders, everybody are looking for them to celebrate them.
Yeram.
Do you know what? Let's go to the Igwe's palace. I want to see
Who
for
does
myself.
the cycle that time in the day?
Oh
my boy! Hey! Wow! Hey! Tell me, let's go.
Fire the bomb. We want ordinary treatment. We know like injection. No say Lisa.
Igwe want to see you. He said that they want to know the magic behind the injection you have been giving to people that used to turn them from old to young. Even myself, now you can see me. So he want to see you now.
Let's go.
You must fire the bomb.
Gina, she just killed another man with her injection. But unlike the case of Igede, he woke back to life. People are even talking about them in the village. They are now like the semi-god in our village.
So, that means I've lost him, eh?
With this kind of events, I'm not sure he will risk his mother's life for anything. No. He will dance to their tune and marry up.
I will go to whatever any possible length to get mad cow injection and give to Atuma's mom. Just show me the harbor home when she's been taken care of. Take me there.
But Gina, you're not a nurse. So.
For love, one can be anything, including emergency nurse. I know where they say mad cow injection in the city. Take me there and I will give it to Atuma's mom. Let me see if he will have any reason to leave me for Opanka.
Gina, just calm down.
Just leave me. My mind is made up. Can you take me there?
Please go. Take me there.
Fire the bomb. We want ordinary treatment. We know like injection. No say Lisa, no say Lisa, no say Lisa. Oh, no say Lisa.
Please, sorry. The herbal home is just somewhere over there. We're almost there. Oh, sorry. Sorry. Oh. What are you doing with the syringe on your hand?
My love, I did it for you. I did it for our love. See, I went and bought cow injection and I injected your mother with it. I want to show you I can do what they did to win back my love.
Yes. Give it to me. Give it to me. How? How? You've killed her.
Ah, shut up there. Kill who? She will purge and come back to life. Just like the ones you've done.
What do you know about medicine, this girl? What do you know about medicine? Hey, listen, let me tell you. You have made the greatest mistake of your life. And you will end up in jail. Hey, Mama! Mama!
Jail!
Ogechi, could you believe what happened today?
What happened?
I saw Mazibe with a very big goat. He said he's going to Nose Liza's house to thank her.
Ha, for what?
You know, when I greeted him, he was like, hey, hello, young lady. How are you? I know why you are greeting me. I know you are interested in me. I would think about it if I would consider you or not.
Do you know that since Nonce Liza gave him that injection and he played ball with those under 17 boys, he now feels like he's one of them.
So what is my business if he plays football or not?
Maybe
what
he
is my
likes
business?
You now, you don't
okay,
know.
He thinks all the girls in this village are interested in him.
Yeah,
if they are me, I am not interested in him. In fact, if he exists, I don't know, and I don't care to know.
I'm not interested either. So maybe he likes you.
Maybe he likes you.
Me, I want to go.
Go.
I beg, I'm going to the house. Come and make my hair. Please, so.
That injection cannot wake Atuma's mother. Now wait till they try talk.
After meeting with Dikeh and he demanded for the injection. Sister, I was afraid though, because I know that killing the Igbo will demand instant death for both of us. So I went to the lab in Enugu to test the injection. But only for me to find out that it's not actually a cow injection, but an injection meant for body cleansing. But how it ended up in a cow injection bottle and got to me in this village is what I can't explain, sister. But I believe it's destiny, sister. I believe it's destiny to prove to people that sent me away from General Hospital that when God wants to use you and work, He can use you in so many ways.
So in other words, what did they try to talk now? They say that injection no go fit work. So now that useless girl now kill Atuma mama.
I'm afraid yes, sister.
Hi.
So, the drug we all thought was cow drug injection turned out to be a gift to our community without Nosilisa knowing until now.
Oh yes. Igwe and all the elders who took the injection yesterday, all purged, but now running up and down in the village like youths.
The only unfortunate thing happened to Atuma's mother.
It's so unfortunate that Regina, Chinelo's granddaughter, killed her with the real cow injection, foolishly chasing love.
So bad, so heartbreaking, that had Nurse Elisa given her the injection, or she would have been well, whole and hearty now.
Oh, yes.
Eh? Oh.
I beg, I did sorry for the death of your mother.
It's alright. You don't have to worry yourself. You know, at least your contribution during the burial was noticed.
You know, say, my conscience, they judge me saying I mean cause the death of your mother. Because when we suppose help, we just leave the woman like that, she can't die. And waiting cause am now because I dey jealous say another woman they try take my place. So the thing come they turn my belly, they turn my head, they turn everything. I can't vex. I beg, no vex for me, yeah? Forgive me.
You don't have to worry yourself. It all belongs to the past now. You know, all that your belly they turn you, make it stop to return you. And all those things, you understand? The thing is that I would like us to, you know, to start up a new chapter.
Which chapter?
The chapter of you and I forever.
To fire the bomb. We want ordinary treatment. We know like injection. No say Lisa, your face is hard like stone. That you need to be good, it enter bone. You dey shine for white and white. Your uniform fine, oh. But your injection was past disease, oh. Your injection, oh, pain past sickness, oh. No say Lisa, no say Lisa, no say Lisa, oh, no say Lisa. Headache or sickness, you must fire the bomb. We want ordinary treatment, we no like injection. No say Lisa, no say Lisa, no say Lisa, oh, no say Lisa. Headache or sickness, you must fire the bomb. We want ordinary treatment, we no like injection. No say Lisa, no say Lisa, no say Lisa, oh, no say Lisa. Headache or sickness, you must fire the bomb. We want ordinary treatment, we no like injection. No say Lisa, no say Lisa, no say Lisa, oh, no say Lisa. Headache or sickness, you must fire the bomb. We want ordinary treatment, we no like injection. No say Lisa, no say Lisa, no say Lisa, oh, no say Lisa. Headache or sickness, you must fire the bomb. We want ordinary treatment, we no like injection. No say Lisa, your face is hard like stone. That your needle big, it dey enter bone. You dey shine for white and white. Your uniform fine, oh. But your injection was past disease, oh. Your injection, oh, pain past sickness, oh. No say Lisa, no say Lisa, no say Lisa, oh, no say Lisa. Headache or sickness, you must fire the bomb. We want ordinary treatment, we no like injection. No say Lisa, no say Lisa, no say Lisa, oh, no say Lisa. Headache or sickness, you must fire the bomb. We want ordinary treatment, we no like injection.